Is there anything Bradley Cooper can't do? The Hollywood star showed off his cooking skills at the BottleRock Festival, and girlfriend Gigi Hadid was right there to cheer him on. Stick around to see how this power couple stole the show. From sizzling dishes to rocking out with Pearl Jam, Bradley Cooper's weekend at BottleRock had it all. Let's dive into the details. Welcome back to Celeb Explore Hub. Today, we're taking you to Napa Valley, where Bradley Cooper and Gigi Hadid turned heads at the BottleRock Food and Music Festival. On Saturday, the 49-year-old actor wowed the crowd with his culinary talents on the culinary stage, while Gigi, 29, showed her support from the audience. Cooper, dressed in an all-black chef's ensemble with an apron, was seen preparing delicious sandwiches alongside his partner, Danny DiGianpietro from Angelo's Pizzeria in South Philadelphia. Gigi, looking effortlessly stylish in an oversized fleece flannel and baggy jeans, enjoyed a sandwich from the grass, sporting a laid-back look with a baseball cap and red-tinted sunglasses. But the fun didn't stop there. Bradley didn't just cook, he also rocked out with Pearl Jam. After impressing everyone with his cooking, he joined Eddie Vedder on stage for a surprise performance. Bradley, who recently attended Taylor Swift's Eras tour in Paris, seemed to be in his element as he jammed with the band. He even performed an acoustic rendition of Maybe It's Time and later jumped on stage for a high-energy performance of Neil Young's Rockin' in the Free World. The couple was also spotted enjoying Stevie Nicks' performance, sharing a tender moment as they sang along and couldn't keep their hands off each other. It's clear that Bradley and Gigi are not only talented but also deeply connected. Despite their private nature, Cooper and Hadid have been seen together frequently, from romantic dinners in New York to double dates with friends like Taylor Swift. Their relationship, which began in 2023, continues to blossom away from the spotlight. That's a wrap for today's video. What do you think of Bradley Cooper's cooking and rocking skills? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Celeb Explore Hub for more exciting celebrity news.